I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Marc and Jackie's cooking show.
It's tubes.
So we have sesame leaves here and what are these? Cabbage right here, these ones. And we have, is this pork belly? And some kind of meat right here. So yeah, we're gonna be making some pork wraps. It's nice too.
No need. I just need to cut them.
Don't cut it now. Or you can cut it now?
Yeah, so it can fit in there.
So Marc is washing the scissors. Well, I wash.
Yeah, go wash. Go wash.
Yeah, how am I gonna wash if you're in the way?
You're in the way.
You're in the way. Move. Move it. I like to move it, move it. So I'm gonna wash some plates. So we can put all the stuff in there. Actually, there's this thing. So I'm gonna start washing. Washing.
We're staying in today because it's raining.
Yeah, it's pouring rain outside right now. We went to go Home Plus earlier to grab some snack, and then we decided to make this for lunch / dinner. Yes, we're eating this for lunch and dinner. And yeah, so we're probably gonna watch Netflix. Coco. Have you ever watched it yet?
No.
I wanna watch it. Yeah, so we're gonna watch Coco.
Should I season it too?
Do you have salt?
Just pepper, salt, and pepper.
Yeah. It's raining. Look at all these clouds. Hello! We are back with another mukbang. Okay. So we also have samjang here, the sauce, and some kimchi, onion kimchi. And Marc bought these chips. They're pretty bomb. It's like shaped as a crab, but tastes like my toe. Tastes like shrimp. Eat the rest. So we finished cooking the pork belly. I washed all of these vegetables here. These leaves. We just need water. Kind of want coffee. Coffee. So yeah. So we are on our 12th day right now. Tomorrow is our last full day here. And then Thursday we're flying out.
I cooked all of this. Nine.
Sponsored by Home Plus. JK. So anyways, we're gonna eat. And this is how I usually eat.
With your hands?
Yep. This. Oh, can you get one more chopstick?
Okay. Oh, here.
And then you put this, the meat, the sauce, and then this. And you roll it up. So good.
We're supposed to make rice, but we don't have a rice cooker here.
No rice cooker, and Mark doesn't like the microwaved ones.
Yeah.
I've never tried those, so I don't know. I feel like I won't like it either. But yeah, we were supposed to go to Lotte World today, but we woke up to the weather not being in our favor. So we'll try to aim for tomorrow. Hopefully it's not as bad as today. Yes, this is so good. I'm kind of glad we have a Korean store back at home. So, we're able to do this too at home.
Oh, Home Plus is nice.
It's like a Don Quixote.
Nicer than Don Quixote. It's like an upgraded version.
So good. I usually like adding the sesame leaves with my cabbage rolls, but since we're only limited,
You can have more.
I'm gonna save it though. Yeah, so we're probably gonna watch Coco after this, after eating mukbang, after doing this mukbang. So yeah, we bought like a lot of Korean snacks. I'm pretty sure they already have some in the Korean supermarket at home. But I don't know if it's in Korean letters.
I've never seen it yet. I've never seen it back at home.
Really? Kalama?
I mean, I've seen the choco pie, but not the other stuff.
So good.
Too much. Even more.
Dang, why is your hand so dirty
Because of
with
this stuff.
sauce? Oh. I feel like we're gonna eat all this sauce. Man, everything here is so cheap. I kinda wish Hawaii was like this cheap.
eating out is cheap. If you know where to go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like the jjajangmyeon, that was 5,501.
It's like $5.
Yeah, kind of like $5. And it was like a big bowl. That would be like $7-8 or more back at home. What was your favorite part of the trip, babe? Your favorite part of the trip?
Hungry?
Really? Hongdae?
Is that what it's called?
The one where we went to the second cat cafe? Oh. Mine was paragliding. Paragliding and the tour package. But it might change again if we do go to Lotte World tomorrow.
Oh, that's what the smoke glove is for.
Here.
Here's have it.
Yeah. We'll definitely be back in Korea. But for now,
Shoot.
I kind of want to go to... Huh? Is that everything already?
Yeah.
What?
The rest is like all soup.
But anyways, I kind of want to go to another country now. Maybe Japan? We should go Thailand. I heard over there it's cheap too.
Yeah, it's like $1 for pho.
Pho! I want pho.
Yeah, babe, just $1 for a bowl of pho.
I wonder how much the currency is.
Oh, it's
What $1 US is.
it's worth a lot, I think.
What kimchi? Kimchi, what's it called? Onion. Green onion.
Oh shoot.
So sleepy. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa.
So tangled.
Just grab that one piece right there.
Oh. That is it's the same piece.
Yeah, so that it's not tangled.
So messy.
So much
Oh shoot.
wraps. Bruh, you're putting two, that's why. Two meat inside.
Cause
Bruh.
cousin.
Sister.
Auntie.
No wonder the meat is like disappearing so fast.
You that's
You want
why.
to cook some more, yeah?
Yeah.
Man, this guy. Whenever he uses the bathroom, he forgets to turn it off. So I'm always like, who left the light on? He blames it on me. Yeah, no, it's you, boo. I know it's you. I wanna eat this again when we go back home.
Don't we usually spend more doing this? Oh yeah, we spend like almost 50 back at home, and then over here it's like $20.
$20 back home.
Are you sure? For all the ingredients? Sample.
30, maybe 30.
Depending. I think it's more expensive back at home.
Yeah, it's because they import it.
Oh.
Have you ever tried this one?
I thought that's what I was eating.
Oh, they're two different ones. Damn, babe. Relax there. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna end it here. Okay, so we can enjoy our food and start watching the movie. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog too. Annyeong. Bye. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys are craving for this now.
You what?
Deuces.